Om Shuddha Sattvaya Namaha.
So, how did he become the Vedanta, that is Shastra Uddharaka? Because more and more your mind is pure, Shastra becomes clear and clear. Not you will clear. It can, the brilliance, the clarity will come. So Shuddha Sattva. Shuddha Sattva means one whose mind is extremely pure. Pure mind itself is glorious. Sattva means pure. Shuddha Sattva means immaculate, purity itself. Shuddha Sattva is Ishvara himself. So Shuddha Sattva, one whose mind and intellect is extremely pure. Pure means what? Pure mind means no selfish desires, no ego. No ego means? No ego we may not know. What is ego? Ego we know. It's just me. How many people told me, especially Tamil people and Telugu people, these are the people I meet. In their own language they tell so beautiful in English. Swamiji, nobody work Swamiji. I do everything. Tamil people, yara onna panna maada Swamiji. Nane da alla panna. Telugu people equally same. Evvaru em cheyaru Swamiji. Nene. Nobody. Nene, nane and all. That's it. So they speak Telugu in English. They speak Tamil in English. Tamil English. Telugu English. I do. How much Gurudev did? He never proclaimed, I did it. He never said. Others saw him and then they said, he did it. That's the very first, what? Mananam. Others saw him and said, he did it. Sun never proclaims, I shine. Your sun may proclaim. But that sun, others glorify the shine of the sun. So he did it. Shuddha Sattva. No personal desires whatsoever. No likes and dislikes. He was shining through his BMI itself. Something was there shining through his BMI. What it is, we don't know. But now, when we study scriptures, then we know it is that shining through his BMI. Mind always quiet, alert, vigilant. That is the sattvic mind. Remember a psychiatrist said, what did he say? You remember? He never saw Gurudev. Yawning. I never saw Gurudev yawning. So when he was talking, I was there at that time. It's a D.V. Pillai. He's the psychiatrist. He told, I never saw Gurudev yawning. For his sake, so loudly Gurudev yawned. He dramatized the yawning. Unbelievable. Because mind is always alert and vigilant. How can yawn come? Our case, in the class itself, some people are very they do decent yawning. Because teacher is sitting in the front right hand. Because we're not big audience, small audience. So I can see everybody. So they decently yawn. How decent? I can see the nose only expanding and then. Because they decently yawn through the nose. But that person only knows. Swami also knows. Because I can see the nose. Through nose they yawn. Because they're decent people. Some people are shameless. If they do so loudly they yawn, so discouraging to the speaker. But audience enjoy. This at least is entertaining. The speech is so boring. This is more interesting. Isn't it? What a sad tragedy. So mind was ever alert, quiet, alert, vigilant. Because Shuddha Sattva, a mind which is Shuddha Sattva is that Tattva itself. Was from Tamas to Rajas. Rajas to Sattva. Sattva to Shuddha Sattva. Shuddha Sattva is Tattva. That is the evolution. So, Shuddha Sattvaya Namaha.
Om Shuddha Sattvaya Namaha.